Whether you're a full-time entrepreneur or you have a fun side hustle you're looking to grow, social media can be a great launching pad to build any small business. In this lesson, I'll share how you can advertise your products and services, attract customers, and increase sales. First, let's talk about how you can advertise through social media. Initially, you should identify where your customer base spends the most time, whether Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, or LinkedIn. And it's likely a combination of these. A simple search using relevant keywords will make it easy for you to see where the most popular accounts post. Then, get creative in how you connect with them on each of your platforms. For example, if you're a makeup artist, you can build a YouTube channel showcasing your audience how to create certain looks. A few months in, you can post before and afters on Instagram, write a blog on your website, and share the link with an after image on Pinterest, and even create quick videos on TikTok highlighting the process. This kind of strategy allows you to grow your presence across a variety of social channels. Now, imagine if you started your own makeup line. You'd already have a following and the perfect setup to mention your products throughout your videos and have them for sale on your website. Second, if you're investing time in growing your small business through social channels, there's plenty of ways to attract new customers by creating relevant content to introduce your products and services. Imagine two friends who post videos of themselves creating original smoothie recipes on their Instagram with ingredients and tips for the best smoothies. Then they created their own spoons and bowls for their followers to purchase, relevant content and relevant products that their followers want. You could even take it a step further by sending products to influencers to get in front of a broader audience. Now, influencers don't have to be celebrities. The key here is really to just find someone who's followed by the audience you're targeting. It could be as simple as asking the parent who leads the local PTA organization to tell other members about your products. The more you can build a network of like-minded creators, the better opportunity you will have to grow. Third, make sure you're not just focusing on gaining new customers. It's so important to stay relevant to your current existing customers so they'll continue to invest in your company. See, the better connection you make with your customers, the better opportunity you're going to have to grow your business by continuing to offer them value. So whether this is your full-time focus or your fun side hustle, make sure to focus on the social channels your customers spend their time, create relevant content that introduces your products and services, and stay engaged with your followers so that they become repeat customers.